Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about a cool trick on your iPhone, that is how you can make YouTube play in the background while the screen is locked. So you might know that typically when you play the video, you have the video open and the screen is on, and then you can view the video. If you lock the screen, the video stops. However, let me show you, you can also, if I lock the screen, I can also play it this way, and then I can lock and then the screen is off and it would continue to play, as you can see here. So let me show you how you can do this. First of all, let me close the video and I will demonstrate step by step. So what you would need to do is you would need to go to Safari and go to youtube.com. Then find any video you would like to see. So I'll type my own channel. And there you go, you can see several different videos. I would press on one of them. So find any video you want. This works very great for, let me pause. This works very great for music videos, for podcasts and other similar stuff. So typically this would open in mobile view. So it would be like this, but what you would need to do is press on this AA right here and then request desktop website. If you do not see this option, it might be because you have a older iOS system. You might find it here if you press at the bottom right here to share and then scroll down, you would see such action at the bottom. So let me close. I would request the desktop website, press play, then I can pause the video and you can close the Safari, so like this. And if I go here, this will also work. And if I lock the screen, this will also work. So both of these two methods will play the video in the background. So I hope that this quick tutorial is useful and you will be able to take advantage of this cool trick how to play any YouTube video in the background while your screen is locked. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and have a great day.